We are going to continue our discussion of how to use the TI-30 Multiview Calculator by looking at example number 3. Notice that example number 3 has parentheses, a fraction, and it also has exponents. Let's find those buttons on the calculator. The parenthesis buttons are above the 8 and the 9. The fraction button we have already looked at is the N over D button. And then if we want to raise to a power, we have to use this button over here. It is an upside down V. That is the exponent button. I'm going to enter this example exactly as it looks. Parenthesis 1 plus N over D to get the fraction form, 0.05. To get to the denominator, I have to toggle down using the down arrow. 52. To get out of the denominator, I use my right arrow key and then I close my parenthesis. To put in the exponent, remember we use the upside down V key, we sometimes call it a caret key. To raise to that power, I can put in parenthesis 52 times 15, close the parenthesis, and hit enter. Notice that it looks on the screen just like the problem would look on a piece of paper. Now you don't have to put it in that way. You can put it in a different way. I can do parentheses 1 plus 0.05. Notice I didn't put in the leading zero here because it was not necessary. Divided by 52, close the parenthesis, raise it to a power, and as long as I stay in the power, I don't have to put parentheses there if I don't want to. And I can hit enter again, and I got the exact same answer. This may look more like what you see when you're looking at one of the other calculators. So if you feel more comfortable using the divide instead of the fraction button, that's okay.